Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to prepare for Pride. Pride is a time for celebration, community, and acceptance, and it's important to be prepared so you can have the best possible time. In this video, I'll be going over a basic checklist of things you need to do to prepare for Pride. Here are the things you need to do to prepare for Pride. 1. Do your research. 1. Find out where the Pride events are being held, what time they start, and how long they last. 1. You should also research the route of the parade, so you can plan your transportation and where to stand. 2. Pack your essentials. 2. This includes things like sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, a water bottle, a comfortable pair of shoes, and a bag to carry your belongings. 2. You may also want to pack some snacks and drinks, just in case. 3. Wear comfortable and weather-appropriate clothing. 3. It's important to be comfortable, so wear something that you can move around in easily. 3. You should also dress for the weather, so if it's going to be hot, pack some light clothing. 4. Bring a positive attitude. 4. Pride is a time to celebrate, so make sure you bring a positive attitude and be open to meeting new people. 5. Be aware of your surroundings. 5. Pride events can be crowded, so it's important to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions against pickpockets. Pro tip: be yourself and have fun. Pride is a time to be proud of who you are, so don't be afraid to let your true colors shine. That's all there is to it. By following these tips, you'll be prepared to have a great time at Pride. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you prepare for Pride. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. If you're planning on attending Pride this year, be sure to check out my other videos and let me know which Pride you are planning on going to this year in the video comments. Thanks again for watching and don't forget to subscribe.